Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to create and sell an ebook on Etsy in 2025 step by step. So even if you are not a writer, this method is easy, fast and beginner friendly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to pick a topic that solves a specific problem or helps a certain group. For example, budgeting for beginners, self-care checklist, or small business marketing tips. Now, once you have your niche or your topic ready, you can just use ChatGPT in order to write your ebook. You can ask ChatGPT to help the outline and write the ebook. Over here, you can provide the prompt to your niche here in this section, like create a 5-chapter ebook on budgeting tips for beginners. Use simple and helpful language. After typing this prompt, you will have to simply press enter. Once it gives you the response, this will be our first response. So as follow up, you can type this prompt that would say write chapter 1 why budgeting matters and keep it under 700 words. Then you can keep on giving it from chapter 1 to chapter 2 to chapter 3, and this way you can simply create your ebook. Now, once your ebook is ready, you can use Canva or Google Docs to lay out the content. For that, you can add a simple cover, page number, and clear formatting. When you are done, you can export that in the form of a PDF, and this is the format Etsy accepts for digital downloads. Now, once you have your ebook PDF ready, you can create a mock-up images in Canva to show off your ebook. If you don't know how you can create mock-ups in Canva, I have a detailed video on this topic as well, so you can check that out on the channel. Then once you have the ebook ready, you can just go to your Etsy store, click on the upload button, set the price, write the description and the title, and attach the PDF as an instant download product. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.